this problem, ACSL has created its own operation called swap, in which you switch parts of the bit string around. So we're going to start with the simple part, which is this L shift. So we have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. This is actually a 7-bit string, not a 5, like they usually do. So we have left shift 2, so these become zeros on the end. Okay, so now I'm going to rewrite it. We'll deal with this swap. So we have swap 2, 2, 4 of 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So what swap does is it exchanges the bits starting at position S, which is 2 for us, with a length of L, which is also 2, with the bits starting in position P with the same length. So first I'm going to label which positions we're dealing with here. So the positions go from right to left. So this is position 0, this is position 1, and this is position 2. So this is where we're starting, and then at position 2, we're taking a chunk of length 2. So that's this. So then next, we are going to swap that with what's at position 4. So this is 3, and this is 4. And then at 4, we are also taking a group of 2. So that's these 2. Okay, so now when we do the swap, we're going to have the 1 stays the same. Now this, so we have 1, 1, then this, 1, 0, 0, 0. So that is our new swapped string. And then in the last step, we just do a rcirc 3. So we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. We're moving to the right. So 0, 0, and 0. And then this is the final answer.